In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically clear Google Chrome browsing. We'll start by removing the data you already have, then turn on the built-in setting that clears site data whenever you close Chrome, and finish with a quick restart so the change takes effect. First, open Chrome and look to the top right corner of the window. Click the three dots to open the Chrome menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you into Chrome's Control Center, where you can manage privacy, security, and site behavior. In the left-hand sidebar, select Privacy and Security. This section is where Chrome groups all your data controls. Next, open Clear Browsing Data. You'll see options for things like browsing history, cookies, and cached images and files. Clearing these can free up space and resolve issues with sites not loading correctly. Keep in mind that removing cookies might sign you out of websites. When you're ready, click Delete Data to clear the current data from your browser. Now let's set up Chrome to automatically remove site data whenever you close all browser windows. Go back to the Privacy and Security page and open Site Settings. This area controls how websites can use your device features and store information. Scroll if needed and expand additional settings. It's sometimes collapsed by default, so expanding it reveals more controls. Then choose On-Device Site Data. This page focuses specifically on information that sites save on your computer, like cookies, local storage, and other small files that help sites remember you. Find the option that says Delete Data Sites have saved to your device when you close all windows and turn it on. With this setting enabled, Chrome will clear site data every time you fully close the browser. This is great for maintaining privacy and ensuring a clean slate each session. Just remember that because site data gets removed, you may be signed out of most sites after each browsing session, and some site preferences might reset. To finish, restart Chrome. Close all Chrome windows so nothing is running in the background, then reopen the browser. The automatic clearing behavior activates when all windows are closed, so a full restart ensures the new setting is in place. That's it. You've cleared your current browsing data, enabled automatic site data removal on close, and restarted Chrome to apply the change. Going forward, every time you exit Chrome, site data saved on your device will be cleared automatically, helping keep your privacy and storage in check.